50 knots. Flood warning in effect from Wednesday morning until further notice. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Taunton River near Bridgewater. When? From Wednesday morning until further notice. Impacts include at 9.0 feet. Backwater flooding from the Taunton River will cause flooding of Lower Perchade Brook in Middleborough. This will cause Wolowski Park to become impassable by most vehicles for an extended period of time. Beware of the dangers of crossing flooded roadways. The water may be deeper than you think. Flood waters have the ability to damage roadways. Heed the advice of local officials and evacuate if asked to do so. At 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, the stage was 5.5 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning and continue rising to a crest of 9.0 feet early Thursday morning. Flood stage 8.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 9.0 feet on April 1, 1953. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood